In the highly competitive industrial packaging sector, visual distinction and product security have become critical differentiators. Our IPS-CUV33 color printing printer is a revolutionary solution designed to bring vibrant, high-resolution color and advanced, anti-counterfeiting capabilities directly to your production line. By combining industrial-grade durability with innovative digital printing technology, this system allows manufacturers to move beyond simple monochrome, marking into a world of full-color traceability. What truly sets this system apart is its ability to achieve full CMYK color printing from a single head. The system's most transformative feature is its dynamic anti-counterfeiting capability. By generating random color QR codes, the IPS-CUV33 provides a visually striking and technologically superior barrier against fraudulent replication. With the software's capacity to create over 1,000 unique color variations for every individual code, each product carries a distinct, verifiable identity that is nearly impossible for counterfeiters to duplicate. Beyond security, the user-friendly and flexible software allows for the seamless printing of text, barcodes, complex graphics, and variable databases. 2. Operational stability is managed by an advanced negative pressure system, which ensures a continuous, stable ink flow and prevents clogging, making routine maintenance remarkably simple. To complement the high-speed printing process, an integrated professional UV curing system provides instant drying, ensuring smudge-free results on a wide variety of substrates. At the heart of the IPS-CUV33 is the EPSON i3200 piezoelectric printhead. Known for its exceptional longevity and precision, this head features 4 specialized rows of nozzles that enable a 33 mm print height. This streamlined architecture significantly reduces hardware complexity and maintenance costs while maintaining impressive production speeds of up to 60 meters per minute. Operational stability is managed by an advanced negative pressure system, which ensures a continuous, stable ink flow and prevents clogging, making routine maintenance remarkably simple. Furthermore, the system is equipped with an electric lifting device, allowing operators to adjust the printhead position with motorized precision. This combination of high-speed performance, ease of adjustment, and unparalleled security makes the IPS-CUV33 the ultimate choice for manufacturers seeking to protect their brand integrity.